Hi guys, my name is Sean, as you all know on YouTube. You may be a little confused by the lip gloss and the makeup and lashes and earrings. I'm actually transitioning next month. I'll be starting hormone treatment. So yes, I don't know what I'll be showing videos about yet. So yeah, I just moved into my apartment, so I'm very happy and excited. I'm finally on my own and doing my own thing and have my own privacy. So I think I may be showing videos on doing my nails, like artsy stuff with my nails and my toenails and wigs that I make. But stay tuned for the next video. Hope to see you guys next week. I'll be at the beach. Bye.